Greetings. Once again, come back with another video, and I bring for you new destinations that maybe you have been watching or you have been seeing. Maybe the destination is just beside you and you've not been taking attention of it. I bring you these destinations from near and far from you, but at your button. And now today I have come across this very nice destination. This is called Diba Gate. Diba Gate is a destination that is going to be entertaining mostly kids, because when I see the setting, it's for the kids. So this is the design of the Diba Gate, and we are going to walk through to see what it really has for, and what is going. This area is still under construction, and I'm going to show you around to see how this destination is going to look. It's just located on the road that comes from Diba to Korfakan, and it's located on just the main road. So this destination is really looking nice, still under construction, and as you may see, it's at night, but it's located on the mountain, and just on the side of the mountain. It's gonna be very nice location and a very nice destination for the kids, mostly, I'm sure, because even adults can come around, but the setting looks like it's gonna be kids play area. It's really a nice place on a very nice destination. And you see, look at this. It's looking just amazing, and look at how beautiful it's gonna be looking. There is some trucks inside, and things like this show that it's gonna be destination for the kids. So it's still under construction, and I'm just coming here to film. Look at how here looks. It's nice, looking beautiful just at night, but if you come here during the day, you're going to see how amazing is it. It's really a little bit windy, and I think we will find some noise in the microphone, but let me hope everything is gonna move very well. So I'm gonna show you this place around. It's still under construction, but it's really looking amazing, just amazing. Don't forget, this area is just close to the market, whereby you can get some vegetables, you can get everything. It's a local market in Diba, and it's really on a very nice location. So look, this is the market. You can buy whatever you want from this place, from foods, vegetables. It's a local market, as you may know a local market looks like. Look at this. This is really amazing, and the design is just fantastic. Some areas are still under construction, and we're not going to show all of it, because some areas are closed and others are still under construction. So you will see this place, and you're going to see. Look at this market. It's just nearby the market. So if you want to buy anything, you just cross here and get whatever you want. And I'm going to show you. Look at this also. It's looking so nice. So it's gonna be amazing for the kids, and it's on the way to the family beach, and it will be so nice and very nice spot for the kids. So all this, yeah, all this is just looking amazing. It's just amazing. Yeah, look at it. So I just want to show around a few things around on this area. I'm sure by the time it's open, it's gonna be just beautiful. You look at it, it's still under construction, but already beautiful, you know. I hope the wind is not disturbing. It's really windy today, and but it cannot stop us from doing the work that to bring more areas around. This is what we want to do, and just support us. We have you, the people, and us to bring you areas. Maybe you will not travel to this destination, but you will know this area called Diba Gate exists, and on this amazing location, like this amazing location. And whenever you want to travel to this area, just go online. Most of the areas are online. You can just check what it offers online and get that location. Drive around. Just come to this area. Whenever, if this area is open, everything will be online. You will see all the areas around United Arab Emirates. If you wanna see anything, you can check online. Only that you need to know what is offered in this area. Whenever you know, you just go Google, and this is the Diba Gate, just located close to the market, the local market, and it's an amazing location. By the side we have a lot of things, and some trees, and some hotels are really a little bit on the behind of the Diba Gate. And this is what I wanted to show you today, and hope to see you in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and your support. See you next time in the next video. Thank you, Timothy.